Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 2LT. Great color combination, fabulous look. It's got the Stage 2 spoiler on the back. Have a look at that from the back. That's a good looking machine, eh? NPP performance exhaust comes with the Grand Sport. The roof is in the trunk here. Comes with an actual Corvette car cover. The window sticker is there. The floor mats, regular floor mats are there. This has been a very particular guy. He's taken great care of it. The cargo net, the mat, everything is there. Have a look at it there with that trunk closed. Good looking car. Deep tinted glass all the way around. Nice wide fenders on it. Beautiful black wheels, no curb rash, Michelin tires, red painted calipers. Just fabulous. On the inside, because it's a 2LT, you get the heated and cooled seats. You also get the power lumbar and the power side bolster as well. There it's got the Corvette logo in the seats and the nice baseball stitching. A very good look there. There's your WeatherTech floor mats in there. And have a look in the door frames, nice and clean and tidy. I mean, this has been a well-loved babied car. The books are there, never been out of the bag. They're right there. And over here is the Bose sound system and your power windows. Nice looking baseball stitching in the doors there as well. So let's close this one, and I'll point out that it's got carbon flash mirrors that match the carbon flash ground effects and the carbon flash spoiler. That's a really great look altogether. So over here is the other front rim, no curb rash, no issues, just a fabulous looking car, and red painted calipers. And look at the size of those rotors. That's awesome, eh? With the cross cut on them. Under the hood here, you've got 460 horsepower mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Have a look at the hood mat, clean, tidy, just fabulous. In the engine, no corrosion, nothing, just a gorgeous car. We can close that, and we've got XPEL PPE on the hood, the front fenders, the whole thing. That's a big chunk of change there. And it's got that beautiful front lip there. Nice splitter in carbon flash metallic with the Stage 2 skirts on it. Here's your front wheel, no curb rash, no issues. I should point out that, of course, because there is XPEL on it, I didn't waste any time to tell you there's no stone chips because there's nothing to show. You can see the XPEL. If you look very carefully right there, you can just see the edge of the XPEL. So awesome. And over here, here's again that carbon flash mirror. Let's go to the rear wheel. No curb rash, no issues, just fabulous. Nice Michelin tires, lots of rubber, well cared for, not spun, just a beauty. It's got the driver memory package, power windows, power locks, and then the Bose sound system, power mirrors, and the heads-up display there. It's got your power lumbar and side bolster buttons there, and the seat is in fantastic condition. Again, this vehicle's just come in. All we've done is washed it. We haven't polished it or detailed it yet, but we sure will. So let's climb in and we'll fire this one up. You can see that the screen still has the plastic on it. There you go, listen to that exhaust, that's fabulous. So the screen will light up with the Corvette logo. Over here we've got 7,152 kilometers. Listen to that rumble. Wow, that is awesome. You have factory nav on this one, so that's included. Those marks are just in the plastic that's on there. And down here you've got your heated and cooled seats, dual zone automatic air conditioning. You've got your automatic transmission with your paddle shifters up here. You've got a dual cup holder and a power outlet right there. This is your mode select here and your power electric brake there. And then in here you can see that you've got USB and power outlets right there. You've got the frameless rear view mirror with OnStar built in, and you've got visor vanity mirror, and you've got garage door opener as well. So you've got power tilt and telescopic wheel here. These are your volume buttons and your station buttons, your cruise control, and these buttons here operate the dash. So if I just show you up here, this will change the revs and all your performance gauges. So I flip down here to performance and just check that out. So you've got lots of the gauge package there is awesome. Your heads-up display, so if we turn the brightness up, and then if I can just move it up and down, you'll see that it's there. Can't really see it because of the white background there, but it'll change pages, change designs. Fabulous. So Nice rumble in this one, just a fabulous car. I'm going to just put the windows up on this one so that you can see that they are tinted. The roof I showed you is in the back. Go back here to the front. Look at that. Wow, that's gorgeous. So you see with the black windows and the black mirrors and the black wheels and then the black accents and then the black spoiler against the white, that is a really good look. Look down the side there, lots of bubbles. That's fabulous. Look at that wide fender. That's fabulous. Listen to that rumble. And then down this side, look at how wide those wheels are. Those are giant sized tires, man. Just giant. So there you have it, folks. That's a 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 2LT automatic with a lot of features. Well loved, beautiful car, just $7K. Here and available at monroemotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.